Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about AI in Notepad. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Windows 11, we have an update in Notepad. So now in Notepad, you will have this rewrite feature, which is artificial intelligence based feature, right? And if you will click on this, you will be able to rewrite the text which you have written in the notepad. If you want to make it shorter, it will make the text shorter. You can make it longer, and you can clone the tone. You can specify in what tone you want to write the text, and also you can specify the format, whether it should be a paragraph, list, business, academic, marketing, or poetry. The shortcut to enable the rewrite feature is you can just press Ctrl and I, and it will be able to rewrite the text. Here you can see that you have an option to replace, and if the AI has multiple suggestions, it will let you choose from one of those suggestions. Here you can click and copy the text if you want to copy, and if you want to try again, you can just press it, and here you can discard the changes. And this is the number of credits that you have in the Notepad AI. Okay. If you click outside the text box, then you will get something like this, where you can choose whether you want to discard it always, or you want to keep writing, or you want to discard the suggestions which have been provided by the AI. So I'll just say keep writing. And in this case, what I want to say is, what is Notepad AI is the suggestion from the Notepad AI. Let's say I want to make this text as paragraph, and tone I want to be casual, and then I will just click on try again. Here you can see that it is saying that, so what's the Notepad AI all about? It's very casual way. Let's say I want a longer text about it. I will just say rewrite or try again. And here you have this longer text. And here you can see that we have suggestions, 5 suggestions we have here, right? If I want to replace the text which is written as what is Notepad AI, and I'll just click on replace, we will see that suggested text has been written here. So if you do not have any text written in the Notepad, you will see that you are not able to select any option from the Notepad AI feature, right? So let's ask a question. What are the features of Notepad AI? And here what I will do is I will say change format as, let's say, business. So here it is saying what characteristics does Notepad AI possess. I'll make the text as longer. Tone will be, let's say, formal, and it's going to be list. And I will just click on try again. Here you can see that you have the text written in list format, right? If I want to copy, I'll just copy it. I'll come here and say discard, and you can just paste it. You could have also chosen replace. That also would have replaced this text, which is what are the features of Notepad AI, with this text which was generated by AI, right? With the help of rewrite feature of Notepad, you can also correct the grammatical mistakes. For example, here I've written what are your name, which is incorrect. So I will just press Ctrl and I. Now it is rewriting the text. Now it is saying that it is what is your name, and I will just click on replace. You can see here that now it is what is your name. So this is all about the Notepad AI feature. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.